Welcome to BrightLightOn Education. This is a brand new method for improving your school. Students take a diagnostic test that looks something like this. Initially, there are 8 colours and they choose from their most favourite colour to their least favourite colour. We only record the student's class, their gender and their year of birth. No individual information is collected. Further words appear in the centre of the colours. They then choose 3 colours depending on their response to the word in the centre. The test takes 15 minutes per student and it fits well inside an ICT class. As various words appear, the sophisticated statistical algorithms enable us to produce results. The results are made available to the head teacher or to the senior leadership team. A final colour selection enables the student to choose again from their first and most favourite colour to the last colour. That is the end of the test. It is very simple. Results are immediately available the day following the last student completing the test. Classes may be tested as often as required. The test takes approximately 15 minutes per student. Charges are around £2 per student per test, or your partner can agree an annual fee with the school. This is simple to run with amazing results. The results look something like this. Across the top are the classes and the left hand column are the subjects. We can see from these results that Class 4A are struggling in almost all subjects. We can see that the pedagogy for physics is struggling in almost all classes. This gives the head teacher an overall and immediate view of their school. However, history is working well for almost all classes. In order to make statistically relevant results, we require 80% of the students to complete the test. We can see that for Class 4A, the pedagogy for history is working well. However, the pedagogy for English is not working well, and similarly for geography. So, for Class 4A, the English teacher and the geography teacher could speak to the history teacher about how they teach Class 4A. And this enables discussions inside the school across disciplines. For Class 4A, the physics, chemistry and art teachers could also speak to the history teacher about how they teach Class 4A. The school summary is shown here. Overall results are presented on a European average. The interplay relationships inside this school is good and contributes to the emergence of skills. However, we can see that this school exhibits riskier behaviours than the average compared to other schools in Europe. These are the 6 key factors influencing the effectiveness of teaching and learning in the school. The relationships in the school are good. Heaven's Gate and rose-tinted glasses are explained in the documentation. The top 6 key factors influencing the behaviour in the school are also shown here. This enables the senior management team to look across the school. The average, in terms of the effectiveness of teaching and learning, is explained in the documentation. Risky behaviours emerge for many reasons. Perhaps it's exam time, or students are choosing new subjects, or maybe the school has experienced an unusual events. Here we see that career opportunities are an influencing factor. Perhaps there are many jobs available, or perhaps there are few. The school environment has a large effect on teaching and learning. Perhaps the school building is not fit for purpose, or perhaps the school is in a setting, a community, which is struggling with the learning. This is a class overview. We can see that these results are for Class 4A. Class 4A doesn't interact well with English, Maths, Geography, Physics, Chemistry or Art. Class 4A does not have good relationships with the head teacher or the career advisor. Relationships with the form teacher, teachers and between classmates could be improved. This may be an area where we decide to make an intervention. Class 4A relationships are not an advantage in helping skills emerge. Class 4A perceive themselves to be in conflict with the school, which is shown as warfare. Class 4A, in terms of behavioural risks, craves excitement and is in a high state of alert. For more information and in order to run this, please contact Dr. David Elliott with a telephone number and email address shown below. Thank you.